Pocket Note is a convenient Android application designed for users who need a simple and efficient way to take and manage notes on the go. This app offers a user-friendly interface that allows users to quickly jot down ideas, reminders, and important information, making it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone looking to stay organized. One of the standout features of Pocket Note is its ability to categorize and organize notes into folders or tags, enabling easy access and retrieval of specific information. Users can create text notes, checklists, and even voice memos, catering to various preferences for note-taking. Additionally, Pocket Note often includes features such as search functionality, customization options for text formatting, and synchronization with cloud services to ensure that notes are securely backed up and accessible across multiple devices. Overall, Pocket Note is an excellent tool for anyone seeking a straightforward and effective way to capture and manage their thoughts, helping users stay organized and productive throughout their daily activities.